Hello friends, this is another Tuesday and this is Alexey speaking. I'm happy to deliver you the latest updates in power semiconductors world, even with summertime slowing the pace down. Follow my newscast to be among the first to get access to the latest news. And now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Lippert Semiconductor expands the E-series family with new press-feed silicon carbide MOSFET power modules in a compact E2 design. Similar to E0 series, to produce extremely reliable E2 series silicon carbide MOSFET power modules, Lippert Semiconductor uses best-in-class silicon nitride AMB substrates that combine great mechanical robustness with excellent heat dissipation properties, featuring very high power densities. Besides, E2 series modules contain epoxy resin. This combination leads to 3 times and higher power and thermal cycling characteristics. All E2 series SiC modules provide best-in-class low switching losses. Leading semiconductor test equipment supplier Advantest Corporation has announced that it has entered into an agreement to acquire Italy-based CREA, Cloud Elettronici Automatizzati. CREA is a major supplier of power semiconductor test equipment. Its products are used to test all kinds of power devices and are utilized by global semiconductor companies around the world. CREA has many years of extensive experience in development and production of test equipment for power semiconductors, including the latest silicon carbide and gallium nitride. This acquisition will enable Advantest to provide broader test and measurement solutions to a wider range of customers in high-growth sectors. STMicroelectronics has officially opened its new clean room dedicated to silicon carbide products at its location in Morocco. The company says it has invested a total of $240 million between 2020 and 2022, double the previous 4-year cycle, to support a major capacity increase for the growth of the electric vehicle and industrial markets. The clean room recently underwent a major expansion to increase the size by a third and to install more than 150 new manufacturing machines for new semiconductor power packages. Since July 2021, ST has created 700 jobs at the site, and the company looking to continue with significant recruitments in 2022. Yole Development and System Plus Consulting announced the creation of Yole Group and its entities Yole Intelligence and Yole System Plus. For more than a year, both partners have been considering a common and unique evolution of the two companies. This stems from the development of the semiconductor industry and its growth, questions and requests from manufacturers and other leading players, and the need to clarify what each company offers. Today the project becomes a reality, with the creation of Yole Intelligence, which encompasses the expertise of Yole Development with a strong focus on market and technology trends. The new name of System Plus Consulting, Yole System Plus, which dives deeply into technology with valuable tear-downs and reverse engineering and costing analysis. And the introduction of Yole Group, with a new visual identity combining Yole Intelligence and Yole System Plus. This evolution illustrates a shared commitment to growing by comprising multidisciplinary experts and developing business with the sole aim of responding to requests from the industry. Power electronics involves a whole range of critical applications, from electrification to smart grids. It is a fundamental pillar for the entire industry to meet climate change demands, and it involves increasing energy efficiency, reducing our carbon footprint through new materials, and adopting new circuit topologies. This year's PowerUP virtual conference and exhibition will focus on the following topics: wide band gap, devices, applications, system solutions, renewable energies and smart grid, and low power, energy harvesting, wireless power transfer, and supercapacitors. The PowerUP EXPO 2022 will take place from June 28 till 30. The SEMITRANS 20 offers high power and reliability in a scalable package design, perfect for high power motor drives and renewable energy converters. Its low inductance design offers simple paralleling and system integration, while the industry standard design enables a multiple sourcing strategy. During this SEMIKRON webinar, learn why the SEMITRANS 20 is a perfect match for high power motor drives, wind, solar, and energy storage converters. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.